Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up routes to implement equipment task schedules using FluidLife's myLab. I recommend that you've watched the video for creating equipment tasks, as this builds on that. Routes allow you to define a set of equipment that you typically perform tasks on at the same time. First, I'll select Routes from the myLab homepage. Now I'll press the Add Route button here. I'll give my new route a name. On the Info tab, I can assign this route to a specific employee if I want. Typically, routes are not assigned to employees here. Instead, the work orders created from the route are assigned later. Also, there are checkboxes to set the task types for this route. Each equipment task is of a certain type. This allows me to select which types of tasks should be done for this route. Now I'll click on the Route Scheduling tab. By default, routes follow task schedules for the components on it. Here, I can override the task schedules and set a schedule for the entire route. I can enter a date here to cause the route schedule to start a specific day. I can also disable a route from being scheduled here. For example, if the equipment on it was part of a temporary plant shutdown. Next, I'll add some equipment to my route by clicking on the Equipment tab. And I'll press the Add to Route button here. I can then either browse the equipment hierarchy or search for units or components to add. I'll pick Browse. Then myLab Test 4, Plant. I can now use these checkboxes to place multiple units onto the route like this. By clicking on a unit, I can add individual components as well. When I close this pop-up window, I can see the equipment I selected has been added to the route. The remaining tabs display information from the equipment on the route. Since this is a new route and I haven't saved my changes yet, the equipment I just added is unavailable and these tabs will be blank. So I'll save my changes now by clicking the Save button. Now I'll click on the Task Scheduling tab. Here I can see all of the task scheduling information for the route. I can also edit or delete tasks from here. Now I'll click on the Materials tab. Here I can see all of the oils and filters required for the tasks on the route and the amounts I need of each. Once I've set up all my routes, I'm ready to start using them to create work orders. I recommend that you watch the video for finding new routes and creating work orders next. This concludes the video on defining routes. Thank you for watching.